Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So a lot of you have been asking for a white background, so your wish is my command. Let me know in the comments whether that's better. Like the video, dislike the video if it's not good enough for you. Let me know why it's not good enough for you, yeah, then we'll take it from there. But hopefully that helps all of you guys on mobiles and the guys that are battling to see the black background. Okay, so what has happened? We've had a very strong rally on the Dow, and we're kind of coming up into an area 31,169 here. It's sort of very close to the measured move that I gave you yesterday, which is pretty much the triangle. Oh, sorry, I got that wrong. So we are coming very close to the measured move. Okay, so the measured move that we've been looking at is 31.33.1. So that's kind of where we are at the moment. We're coming to what looks like an area of consolidation as well. And I think if we just come down to the 3 hour, you'll see a little bit of selling coming in here. And what's worrying me at the moment is this little flag that's forming here. Okay, so there it is there. So that is worrying me a little bit. And the other thing is you'll see there's a new indicator on the charts. And this is just part of my actual strategy. So I'll introduce that to you in a separate video. For now, I just want to start bringing them in so you get used to them. And I still want to focus on price action. I think that's the important part here, is price action. So at the moment, you can see what happened here. We were sort of similar kind of setup, just in a bit of a channel, and now we've gone back into another channel. We need to see some kind of a pullback. It's market doesn't just go up all the time. It does need some cycles to the downside, and that's pretty much what I'm waiting for now. So if you were following on the Telegram channel yesterday, I gave you the entry for the S&P, and we'll get to that in the S&P video just now. But that's pretty much the only trade that I was in yesterday. Right, so at the moment, on the hour, what we're looking for is some kind of structure. Now, there is a bit of a channel forming. Call it channel, call it wedge. Doesn't matter what you want to do. It's pretty much, it's an area of consolidation. Okay, so that's an area of consolidation after a strong move up. And it's been a move up. There is a bit of a gap here. So right there is a gap. Okay, and that's going to act as a magnet, and that's sitting right at 3100. So 3100 is, for me, the next line in the sand. So I would like to see a retest of that, and with non-farm payrolls today, that's very possible. We could even test this area at 3817. Just depends what the algorithms read into the data that comes out, and then we'll look for opportunities to buy after that. So for me today, Dow Jones is kind of sit on hands, wait for non-farm payrolls this afternoon, see what's going to transpire there. Probably going to get out of my S&P trade as well. I'll have a look at that now. But that is kind of the plan for me today. So what we're looking for is pullbacks, and the pullback that I'm waiting for is the first one is 3100. If we can pull back to 3100 and hold it, that would definitely give me an opportunity to get in long. The other sort of area would be pulling back onto the structure here, and this breakout has not been tested. Okay, and that is 3817. So let's just say 3800. So 30,800 is the area that has not been tested. So that would also be an area that I'd be very interested in. And you can see the buyers did come in here previously. There it is there. So it's tested sort of there on the 1 hour, but if I come up to the 8 hours, you'll see I need to see a move down and a move back up. Okay, so that kind of my view at the moment. There's nothing really else that I need to pay attention to on this chart right now. If you did get in on any breakouts yesterday, the trend is still up. That's what you'd be looking for, and that would have been a fairly decent area there on that pullback last night. Was that one last night? the 6th. No, that wasn't last night. Last night was here. So that was the day before. We had this nice rally up, but then we pulled back, and then you had this engulfing pattern here, giving you another opportunity. And you basically only rode it for basically 3 hours. But yeah, that's the state of the markets at the moment. And remember, you've still got a lot of political noise, and you've got non-farm payrolls. So if you're nervous and you're uncomfortable, I'd suggest that you stay away from the markets today. Wait for non-farm payrolls, wait for the dust to settle on that, and then have a look at it again later this afternoon. But I think it's been a pretty strong week so far, so I don't really see, I don't foresee any chaos, but my oscillators do concern me at the moment on the weekly, so I would see some kind of a pullback soon. Okay, but the trend is up. You should be trading with the trend, so you're looking for opportunities to buy, and that's pretty much the long and short of it. Okay, so these are the levels I'm watching this trend line at 3100. If that gives, then I'm looking for 3800 over here, and if that gives way, and you're looking a little bit further down at the bottom here at 3600. And you need to pay attention to all those levels, because any one of them could be tagged depending on what happens with the data coming out today. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Don't forget to like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We do this every single day. 4 videos come out every morning to help you prepare the charts for the day and look for the levels. And watch out for the strategy video. I will be putting that together over the next couple of days, and we'll release it and basically tag it inside every review that we do, so that you've got quick access to it. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.